Yo, welcome back to the channel. So we're all finished up in Claire's new room, and now it's time to move on to the nursery for the twins, aka Claire's old room. Let's go on a tour of Claire's new room. For a small room, we were able to fit quite a few pieces. So we have obviously her crib, her bed, which turns into a day bed later. Got a stand in the corner for humidifier, favorite horse, laundry, our change table station, which you saw how, let's close the door there, which you saw how we mounted that guy to the wall. We've got her nice large dresser here with all of her stuffed animals on her shelves. And even behind the door, we've got room for her desk, of course her Peppa the Pig wall decal. And then over here, we've got two large bookcases to store all of Claire's wonderful books. Nice and hidden away in a bookcase. Her Poing reading chair, if you haven't seen that video, check it out up here. Obviously more storage in this bookcase here. And if you haven't seen that video, this is Claire's finished all got closet system. Now that Claire's room's complete, we need to move on to the nursery, which has currently become the drop zone for all baby-related and non-baby-related items. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see the progress that we make in the twins' nursery. To be continued. Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. Smash that like button to send us some love. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Hope your day was full of awesomeness.